Today I'm putting some of my assets to work with Lido. I'll start by checking the available earning opportunities. This looks like the right fit, but I only have 3.73 USDC available on Ethereum. The rest is scattered across other chains and tokens. Instead of bridging them one by one, I open FastBridge and connect my wallet. Once connected, FastBridge loads my balances, and I open the asset selector to see what's available. Under native, I can see smaller balances that would otherwise remain scattered across different networks. Now, I'll combine USDC with MON, AVAX, HYPE, BNB, and POL, all in the same transaction. Then I enter the amount I want to use from each balance. For the destination, I choose USDC on Ethereum, and FastBridge calculates my final output. I review the quote and fees, then confirm. MetaMask now opens the required confirmations for each source chain. I approve them one by one. Once the final signature is complete, FastBridge aggregates, swaps, and bridges the balances to Ethereum. The transaction is confirmed, and those scattered funds become one usable USDC balance. Now let's head back to Lido and put it to work.